Imagine this: every desert on Earth covered in solar panels. The Sahara, the Arabian deserts, Australia. Endless fields of black glass silently powering the entire planet. No more oil, no more shortages. It sounds perfect. But what if that perfect solution starts changing the Earth itself? At first, everything works. Power becomes almost unlimited. Cities run without fear of outages. Clean energy everywhere. Deserts seem like the ideal place. Empty, sunny. It feels like we finally found the answer. But deserts aren't empty. They're part of a system we don't usually notice. Deserts do something important. They reflect sunlight. That reflection helps regulate temperature. It drives wind patterns, moves air across continents. It even affects where rain falls. And when you cover them, you don't just change the ground. You change how the planet breathes. Solar panels don't reflect heat the same way. They absorb it. Large areas start warming differently, and slowly the air above them begins to move differently too. Winds shift. Some regions get stronger airflow, others lose it completely. And when wind changes, weather follows. Rain patterns begin to shift. Some places get unexpected rainfall, others dry out even more. Ecosystems struggle to adapt. Agriculture gets affected. Water cycles change, not overnight, but enough to reshape regions over time. And suddenly a solution for energy becomes a challenge for the environment. Because Earth isn't made of isolated pieces. Everything is connected. Change one part, and something else responds. Even something as simple as sunlight on sand has a role. So yes, covering deserts with solar panels could power the world. But it might also change the world in ways we don't fully understand yet. And that's the real question: are we solving one problem or creating another we can't control? If you had to choose unlimited energy or a stable planet, what would you pick?